Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to properly use Robinhood. First, you'll need to open an account by providing some basic personal details. Then, link your bank account to easily deposit funds. Take a moment to explore the app's user-friendly interface, which makes navigating investments straightforward. This initial setup is quick, getting you ready to invest in just a few steps. Once your account is set up, depositing funds is simple. You can transfer money directly from your linked bank account. Many users start with a small amount, perhaps $50, to get comfortable. Remember that instant deposits often have a limit, typically $1,000, allowing you to trade immediately while larger transfers process. To buy a stock, simply search for its ticker symbol within the app. You can place a market order to buy or sell at the current price, or use a limit order to specify the exact price you want. Selling is just as easy. Find the stock in your portfolio and choose your order type. Always review your order before confirming. Effectively managing your portfolio involves regular monitoring of its performance. Consider diversifying your investments across various assets to reduce risk. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Robinhood provides tools to help you track your progress and make informed decisions about your investments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.